Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to our channel, Razor Focus. We're so glad you joined us today.
We're so glad you've been so faithful through all of this mess.
Yes, and joining us on our adventure. So we are excited. We are in our shed today. New environment for you guys, but it's our catch-all for everything. But I'm pretty excited about something I've wanted to do for a long time, and so we're going to take this opportunity to do that. And that is what you see right here is a end, and I'm not going to lift it up because it's heavy, but you see an end cabinet from a Harbor Freight toolbox. Let's see if you can open that, Joe. Yeah, so it's just an end cabinet, drawers. You've seen our garage. I like the Harbor Freight toolboxes. I think they're one of the better made. We have abused them. They've gone all over the U.S. with us as we've moved.
Oh, yeah.
They hold up really well, and the wheels are great, and all those things. And so there's something I've always been wanting to do, and it's for the garage, and it's a welding cart out of one of these. I have a welding cart that I've made out of a little, like a cafeteria cart.
Yeah, I think it was an old cafeteria cart, and it has the little spinny wheels. Well, we did the wrong kind of wheels on it.
Well, I took those wheels off, and we made another frame, and made it heavy duty, but it's just not what I wanted. It still collects a lot of dust, and you know me and cleanliness, and so it doesn't have drawers, and I found something really cool, and we're going to unbox that today. That's part of this, and then we'll build it on another day, but I wanted to see what it is. So we got a box in. Let me get the box.
We just got a package.
And
we just got a package.
It says heavy, and it is heavy. So watch fingers.
And these carts come in lots of different colors. We chose blue because the cabinet.
Yeah.
You're going to make it into a cart. So
yes.
The cabinet comes in lots of many different colors, and they're nice and bright and enameled and just really pretty.
Yeah, I mean, I like the Harbor Freight ones. We have red, and red's kind of like my color. I love red. But I also have a Miller welder, which is blue, so I wanted to go
Miller blue.
Blue with that. And this is not quite Miller blue, but it's pretty close. So let's take a look at unboxing this. I'm going to grab the camera, Jody, and we're going to move things around so you can put stuff on the counter.
Awesome.
And we'll go from there. So hang tight. Okay, Jody. So first off, who is this from? It's made in the USA. First off, sweet! Made in the USA.
Yay!
Awesome, awesome.
It says, it's just a name.
It's from ZT FAB.
ZT FAB.
Yes. So it's a ZT FAB thing for this, and you know, I've something I've always wanted to see. So we took a little bite of the bullet and got a kit. But I've not seen this. Don't be shy.
Well, it's been a while since I've unboxed. I'm working on it, trying to be...
She's still tough as nails. Well, let's see here. There we go.
I got it. Oh, it's packed really well, first of all. Ooh.
See, and this is kind of where, let's stop there for a second, Jody. This is kind of where I was like, when I was looking at this kit, you know, everyone's like, you know, it's an expensive kit. Is it worth it? Well, by the time you buy, casters are expensive, just so you know. I spend a lot on the casters that I have, and man, these
are nice. These are like heavy.
Hard rubber. Oh my gosh, it's
cast
iron.
Yeah.
Look at that, cast iron grease zert. Bearings inside there. Let's see if I can show that. I mean, there's bearings in there. Wow, so
they're heavy too. I would say they're at least a pound each.
Oh no, I was thinking more like 4 pounds each.
Wow.
4 or 5.
Maybe.
Well, let's set this aside here.
Okay.
We're going to spread things out on this table here. But that already, that's cool.
And then all this paper, it's like Christmas. Wow, it's wrapped really well. They really did pack it nicely for you. Bubble wrap, paper.
Yeah, this is not, you know, again, this is not a cheap kit. It's like $280, $290, I'm sorry, $260. Forgive me.
The link will be in the description.
Yeah, I'll put the link in the description there.
And to the Harbor Freight.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is, I know it's like a $500 kit when it's all done, but.
Including the cart.
Yes,
or the
everything.
Stamp.
So what do we have here? Front casters.
Front caster.
Let's take a look at that front caster.
It's also very nice. Stainless, it seems.
again, it's a heavy duty caster.
I assume this is the other caster. It
So
looks
good
kinda...
quality caster. Let's just slide that here with the other wheels. It's been a while since we videoed. I got to get into used to this too.
Right?
What else we got in here, Jody?
Yeah, but you can't keep good Gen X down, right?
That's right.
Keep coming back. This is wrapped in sticky bubble wrap, so it won't get scratched
Man,
or
that looks
scuffed.
really, really awesome quality.
Are these the holders for the hoses?
I'm not sure what any of this is.
This looks like a bracket for a hose to me.
Hang on, let me see here. Look, I mean, there's dimple dies
It's
on
really
there
good.
for strength. Dimple dies. Man, it's all laser. It is laser cut, formed, bent. I mean, this is.
That
Wow,
sticky bubble wrap has me intrigued.
I'm really impressed so far.
I'm about the
then-
sticky bubble wrap. That's so
Yeah.
silly.
Okay, instructions.
Here's all the... Oh, a sticker!
stickers. ZT FAB
Yay!
sticker. Woohoo!
We have a sticker wall.
Yes, that'll go on the wall. Instructions. So that is the bottle bracket. That's what those
No,
are.
it's a cord
Oh,
hanger
You are right. That's right. Cord
because
hanger.
it has one hole.
Yeah, we'll look at those here in a second. Let's keep unboxing some stuff. Oh, that's the bottle bracket.
Yeah, they have it packed in really tight with stuff under it, so I'm going to try and wiggle it out carefully.
Careful, don't cut yourself.
Yeah. And I also don't want to scratch it because they packed it so well.
Well, we're gonna paint it probably.
Well, but still. Yeah, those are the
That's
bottle.
the bottle bracket. And what's really cool, let me show you this, Jody, because you have your choice. Let's pull that
Some
up.
help?
Let's just set it down like that. So
Okay.
this right here is the bottle bracket where you're acetylene or your MIG welding, what we use. Bottle goes right there, but you have a choice here where they can do TIG tubes, or since I do MIG, you can put your MIG splatter paint,
Oh, really?
your anti-splatter.
That's cool. I thought
So-
it was for the hose,
No, no,
the
no.
lead that would,
This part here goes in the back
the trigger.
where the bottle's at.
That is so cool.
So very cool.
Here's just a round tube.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Hold on, let me get over here. Very impressed so far.
I'm really impressed with the packaging.
That looks like either the handle or axle.
Or it could be a breaker bar to hold the
No,
chain.
it's see these
that
little slots
different?
right here?
Yeah.
This is for a chain.
Oh, very cool.
So I don't know
that's
if they
even
give you
better.
a chain or not. We'll see.
Here's the nuts and bolts.
Hardware.
Oops. Sorry, honey.
Just grab it down here, no big deal.
Thank
It's in a
you.
Ziploc bag. Yeah, look at everything's labeled and
And here looks like some cotter pins with the washers and bearings. I don't know what that's
that's
for.
probably for.
Oh, the
wheels.
wheels. Yeah.
And we'll look at instructions as we build this. I'm just pulling everything out.
This is completely sealed in the bubble wrap.
Open her up.
It's more difficult than it sounds. It's stuck on there.
Yeah, I mean, everything is packed beautifully. Now, see, and again, you say, hey, Sam, I thought you could weld. I thought you could just make something up like this. And
You can.
you can. You really can. But they did all the engineering already, so it works with this beautiful cabinet. And it should fit everything together.
As well as when you factor in time and the materials, you really aren't paying that much more for someone else that already knows exactly the measurements.
Yeah, when we build it, I'm going to do like a comparison. If I bought this kind of steel,
Right.
if I spend the time to do it, what it would cost per se.
Because this is thick gauge.
Man, look
This
at
is
that.
heavy.
This must be the axle. Where the
I don't
axle
know what
goes.
that is.
Let's see here. That is called.
Maybe it goes under, you're thinking, to hook everything to, like under the
Yep,
cabinet?
that is called the axle bracket.
Okay.
So that's a weight bearing. Because we're
Yeah,
gonna load
and
this
it's
thing up.
heavy.
Holy cow!
It's
Oh,
heavier
man.
than the wheels.
That's like 1/4 inch.
Mm-hmm.
So-
It does come with a chain.
Does come with a chain
Yay.
for the bottle.
Loving that. Okay, there's more wrapped
they pack it
really
well.
well.
That should be for the front.
Like a
See, this is
bracket
going to go
somehow.
something like this, Jody.
It's real sharp. Be careful, honey.
Let's see here. I'm not exactly sure just yet, but somehow, don't scratch it. No, it
I'm
goes.
not trying to scratch it.
Okay, you're going the wrong direction.
Am I?
Handle goes out.
Oh, it's a handle. Okay.
Somehow, this is like here somewhere. We're going
Okay.
to look here, but that's the handle for the bracket.
I'm just glad it comes with directions. Because I can look at it and guess, but I want to know.
Okay, let me slow down here because I'm like zooming and I'm sure I'm making y'all guys nauseous. So I'm getting a little excited here. Go ahead, Jody.
Watching too much Stradman, I guess.
I like Stradman.
Me too.
Oh, sweet. ZT
Okay, this
FAB.
is really heavy.
Okay, so let me help you with this. Hold on, hold that like that. I'm going to take this paper off. I'm going to chuck that over there, and then we're going to go right over here.
That's heavy, baby. Be careful.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's
And we're going to turn this way. And
really nice workmanship.
ZT FAB right there. Man, look at. I may just clear coat that. That is beautiful.
I know. I really, when you said paint, I wasn't aware we were painting stainless because it's so pretty.
That's the bottle base, is what that says. Oh, the only thing I'll say, and again, I don't know which way this goes. Oh, this probably goes against the
side of the cabinet.
So you'll see the blue, maybe. I don't know, but that's
really pretty, baby.
All those pieces.
And then
what else we got in here? Oh, another piece. Oh gosh.
I assume that's for the handles and.
That is the side plate.
Yeah.
Look at it again. Hold on.
This
is something I could not make. It's dimple dyed.
Yeah.
That gives it strength. Beautiful.
As well as they must have a FAB, a CNC.
Oh, this is laser. There's no doubt about it.
I'm like,
this is not even.
We couldn't cut this clean with our tools that we have.
No, I have a plasma cutter, but again, this is full on laser CNC.
I think that is all the treasure in the box.
Wow, Jody.
But I'm impressed.
Let's look at this for a second. So we've got the base, the the wheels.
The axle.
And that's the handle. Here's the axles.
Oh, I was right. Okay.
Here's the axles that go onto this base, which is super heavy duty. Casters.
Yes, I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, this is the the cord bracket. I know I'll have to like drill into the cabinet. No big deal. Corner braces for the structure. I mean, this is super cool. Let me look here with you, Jody.
Thank you for shopping. Go to the website for instructions. So we'll have to download those.
But looking at this here, you can see bottle base, side plates, axle brackets. I mean, it comes with everything done.
I mean, down to the washers and nuts, which
cotter pins. Yay. I mean, and you can see the quality control. They check to make sure they got everything.
Even lock washer.
You know, this little sticker might have to make its way on here.
Well, there's two. So this one looks like a decal one that you could put on the thing itself. And this could be
on the wall. Well, we'll figure it out. But yeah,
But this one looks like one of those thermal ones, like you would put on a mug or something.
Oh no, it's not a thermal. It's called a transparent. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not thermal. But that's going to be really cool, Jody. See, we're going to put it on this. We're going to build all that, and we're going to bring you along our journey for that. So again, it is packed well. Okay, Jody. So I'm excited. I'm excited. This is really, really cool. I know you can see the laser cutting, the dimple dies. I mean, it's a really quality piece. Like I said, I think They
even score the bend.
Yeah, I mean, they score the bends. You can't really see it from there. We'll show you more as we build it, but I just want to unbox that today. But just a great quality, American-made product to convert this awesome Chinese-made cabinet, and it's going to be an awesome welding cart. So I'm excited to get it going.
And you have so many hobbies, and I mean, we haven't shared all of them, of course, because there's so many, but you love to do welding, and you love to do blacksmithing and that kind of thing. So there will be more on that later, more to come.
Yes, we do a lot. You know, Jody and I have 32 years of marriage. We have decided that early on that, hey, we'll figure out how to do anything. And
together we have.
Yeah, I don't like paying for something unless I absolutely have to.
Yeah.
And sometimes, you know, even a kit though, and this is really cool. And so I'm excited to try it, and stay tuned so you can see how this progress goes. But I'm so glad you joined us again. Make sure you like and subscribe, And most of all, I pray that you have an amazing and blessed every day.
And stay razor focused.